welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, this is my brother Jafar.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes. So, and in this video, we're just gonna do a little Shake Shack mukbang.
Yeah.
So
I haven't tried it yet, so you know what I mean.
Yeah.
See what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Honest review.
It's kind of cold, so I don't know if he's gonna get that Shake Shack feel. But I really like Shake Shack. Their food would be on point.
It's supposed to taste good regardless if it's cold or not. But let's go.
Okay, so let's just go eat. Like,
you know what I mean? Honestly.
Yeah.
Subscribe and like if you're new, as always. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm guessing this is mine. This is the chicken. What is it called again?
Some chicken.
Yeah, it's a chicken sandwich with mayo.
Oh, that looks good. The chicken looks good. It looks like KFC barbecue chicken.
Let me see what you look like. Your burger. You got a glizzy dog.
I know. I kind of.
You got the glizzy.
I kind of went overboard, guys.
How you eating the glizzy?
Jesus, like. Ugh. So I got a hot dog with cheese because I like. Why do you call it glizzy dog?
Glizzy. Nobody eat hot dogs right here, bro.
I like hot dogs.
You eat the glizzy,
and
bro.
we got a burger. Ooh, this looks good. I've never had their burgers before. I've only had their hot dog, and it was pretty good. So
yeah, I'm not done.
Yeah, we're gonna have this. Then we got fries. Ugh.
Let me see what their fries look like.
He got the regular fries.
Yeah, I like.
And it looks like this.
I like my fries like that. Too.
And I got the bacon cheese fries. And they sent me the cheese. I guess I put it on there. But it's like, ugh, I don't know, ew.
Could have just dipped it in there. You know?
That's what I should have done, but I wanted the bacon on
Their
it.
fries taste good though, even though it's a little cold.
And then we got the bacon, so you can put the bacons on the fries.
Little piglets.
Little piglets. Oh, and I said I wanted strawberry shake. I thought I ordered strawberry shake, but this is vanilla. And then, because I'm a fat pig, I'm not, but I ordered the custard, so I want to try it. It's basically ice cream, but like way more creamier.
You should just cookie and cream as regular.
Then lemonade. So let's just eat. I wanted to taste your sandwich. Jeez.
And I'll take the first bite.
Oh, I thought you were eating it. Ugh. Oh, that's a huge piece of chicken. Anyways. I like it.
It tastes really good though, I'm not gonna lie. It tastes really good.
It's almost up to Chick-fil-A standard.
I was gonna say, yeah, because I've been eating Chick-fil-A when it's always warm, so it probably has a better taste. But probably if this is warm, I don't know, man, they might have some competition.
It's really good. Guys, comment down below if you think Shake Shack is better than Chick-fil-A or if you think Chick-fil-A is better than Shake Shack.
Their mayonnaise sauce on this is great. They mix it up until it got a little bit of...
Yeah, they had a special.
Fire.
This is good.
You still chewing on my burger?
It's really good. I like it.
Once I seen it in the picture, I was like, that's it. That's it.
Cheesy bacon fries. I feel like everybody in the comment will call me fat. When I'm not fat.
Just eat your food, bro. This is bang, though. I'm not gonna lie.
It's amazing.
I want to say this is up there with the Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich is better than Popeyes.
It is.
Which you want a piece? Okay.
historically good. How's it?
This is so good.
It really is.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the sauce that they put on this, A1. Mayonnaise, whatever they put. You see the little chimes in it. Fire, bro. This is one of the best sandwiches I've had in a while. This is my first time eating from Chit too, so it's really good.
This is so good.
Not me looking in the bin for more.
I still want to eat my hot dog, but I want to try this before I'm full.
Yeah, that was well worth it.
Ooh.
Cheese, that's cheese. Our burger is good as well. It's really good. Really good. Probably the best cheeseburger I've had in a really, really long time.
Oh
I don't
my
really,
gosh.
Cause I don't really eat cheeseburgers when I go to like Burger King or you know what I mean, other places like that. It's always like a baconated cheeseburger, but this
is bacon in there.
Yeah, that's really good. That's like probably like the best out of all of them. Yeah. Yeah, that's really good.
Shake Shack got the best burgers, okay?
You gotta start going there more often now.
They're expensive.
Yeah, they are expensive though. It was
Can I
like
get
$7 for my burger for that crispy thing. But if you, but it's worth the money though. If you want something nice to eat and you hungry.
Yeah, this is like a once a month type of treat.
That's really good though. We're over here eating fries with cheese like this, but it's fire.
So let's talk to them. Let's have a discussion.
Yeah, this is banging, bro. Like this is just the vibe. This is just great right now, honestly. Might just finish this cheese because this is fire.
I wish their hot dog bread was bigger.
I don't fit this is fire. This is great. I don't even know what to say. It's good. Like it's good.
It's amazing. How are you guys surviving quarantine? Like personally, I've been in quarantine like even before my job like started letting everyone work from home. Like I was in quarantine like 2 weeks before that because I had allergies. Like my allergies get a little bit crazy like in the winter time, whatever. So
I thought you was gonna say this summer. What allergies you got that affect you in the winter?
my allergies, like I be getting bleeding nose and everything. So it all depends. So like I didn't want to go into the office and then everybody be looking at me crazy. So I told my manager, and because I have the flexibility to work from home, I work from home, and they're like, okay, just stay home just to be safe, because at that point Corona was just coming out and everybody was going like, you know, like everybody was more scared about it. But yeah, and I've been in quarantine since March, and it's been crazy because I personally don't go out a lot. Like if I go out, then it's probably to my mom's or my cousin or to the store, and that's about it. I don't even like go to church in person. I go to church online. So like it's crazy because I'm used to being out more often. Like I guess I just missed being able to tell people no, I can't go. But honestly, like
now it's just like, you know.
Yeah, but like I feel like it can be mentally draining and exhausting because it's like you're in the house all the time by yourself, and it's like you can be thinking about so many things that you don't want to think about, or things that can lead you into depression. So I feel like it's so hard, not just for me but for a lot of people, like being in the house. Like, sure, you have your phone so you could communicate with people and such, but
inside every day, it does take a toll.
yeah, and especially now that it's colder. So because it's colder, you can't even go out and say, oh, I'm going to on a social distance walk or anything, because it's too cold. So like that also adds to it, and it makes it really hard for a lot of people. So like during this time, like I feel like this is a time to check on people, and don't be like, oh, I'm only going to check on people who check on me. Like don't do that, because like you never know what somebody's actually going through. Like I know me, like if I'm going through something, like I don't really talk to a lot of people. I might talk to like one or two people here and there, but then like I'd rather just go through it myself and figure it out, which is not always good. So like you never know what somebody might be going through, and then you send them a text message, and that literally makes it makes their day, because they're like, oh wow, this person is thinking about me, and like that could literally make somebody get out of their bed even if they're crying. Like you never know what somebody's going through. So be kind to people, like whether you're talking to somebody at the store, like if you go to the store, be kind to the cashier, be kind to the workers you see out there, be kind to the mailman. Like you never know what somebody is going through. So like be considerate. That's my goal for the year, to be more considerate and to be kinder, yeah, and to appreciate friends and families. What do you think?
That's very nice. Very nice and considerate of you.
Well, what's your thought on the whole quarantine and like mental illness or health?
Well, for me, it's not really that bad because I still go to school. You know what I mean? I still see like 1 and 2 of my friends, so it's not that bad. But it's still just like you're like 6 feet away. You can't really scream across the classroom. You know what I mean? So you're basically there by yourself, except like in lunchtime you get to talk. But besides that, it's boring. I only have like one class in person. Well, one class that I actually have to like pay attention to the teacher and look at, and the rest of them is like online. So it's just like it's boring, and I gotta be there by like 9 o'clock to like 2, which is like, you know what I mean? And it's my last class that I have to pay attention to. But it's alright. I don't know. It's boring. I'm tired of quarantine. I just want everything to go back to normal. But I feel like that's not gonna happen anytime soon. So I just, you know what I mean? Just gotta push through it and just hope everything gets better.
Yeah, and that's why I'm wanting to take the vaccine, because like I know it does help. Because if you think about it, people take the flu vaccine and they still get the flu, right? But it does help a lot of people. So like people are saying, oh,
I know 2 people that had it. My teacher had it, and a student in the class had it, and they came back after like 2-3 weeks, and that was alright.
Yeah, so like people are saying, oh, they have a lot of negative things to say about the vaccine, but like what do you really know? Like if you don't know anything about it, I personally feel like you shouldn't be saying much about it, because like you're creating this stigma, like this fear, which is very unnecessary. Like I feel like if you're gonna take the vaccine, take it. If you don't want to take it, then don't take it. But don't force your opinion on people. Don't say, oh, don't take the vaccine because it's the mark of the beast. Don't say don't take it because this happened. Because like I personally know people that took the vaccine and they're doing fine right now. Not just the first dose, the second dose. And they're doing fine. So like if you don't want to take it, then that's fine. But if somebody wants to take it, then just let them. Like,
I mean, but if you think about it, I mean, unless you're like somebody's parent, and you can't really like force somebody to not take it. You could voice your opinion and make them hear what you want to hear, and it could influence the decision.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Ultimately, it's up to the person to decide whether they want to take the vaccine or not. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't try to influence them. Like, let them make their own decision. You don't need to influence them because you're not a doctor.
You know what I mean?
But
personally, for me, I ain't taking that vaccine. I'm not. as the vice president or vice minister of Jamaica say make the big countries them take it first, like England and
America.
And America, you know what I mean? Make
You mean
go
America?
Make them go and test it out first, and then we see what happens after. You know what I mean? Then we can make a decision if we want to push forward or relax with it. But make the big country then go and take it first.
But it's actually in Jamaica now, and I think they're encouraging people to take it. Like they have like this whole like schedule. They're saying, okay, people at like TSA, like they need to take it. Immigration and the airport, they need to take it. Yeah, so they're like encouraging people to take it now. So I just feel like it's a lot to consider. But like I personally, I'm ready to get out of the house. I'm ready to go on vacation. So if it's gonna help, like I'd rather take it.
There's still people taking vacation and doing what you gotta do. Because honestly, if I wasn't in school right now and I had some money, I would definitely go on a vacation.
But like I don't want to be on a plane when it's so high. You know what I mean? Like I was supposed to go on a vacation to see my friend and I wasn't able to because like I don't want to be on a plane and like they're literally is somebody like this close to me, right? And I don't know them. So like I don't want to be that close to somebody.
First class.
You gonna pay for it?
No, but I'm just giving you options, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so it's
you can like, I don't know, like talk to the
so that's my whole thing. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say.
But overall, I'd rate the Shake Shack meal 9 out of 10. If it was a 10, I'd know it was a 10. Everything would be hitting, you know what I mean? It is hitting, but I know when it's a 10, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. This is fire. If you want Shake Shack, go get it. I'm telling you, you ain't going. Just don't order nothing weird that you wouldn't really eat. I don't know, but
they don't have any weird things on their menu.
Yeah, the burgers, the fries, the chicken sandwich, that fire. Tried it a little bit while she was talking. Fire.
The hot dog. Thank you for tuning in to Marla's TED Talk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know how you're surviving quarantine. And let me know if you want me to do more videos where I talk about like topics like what's going on. Or like if you have anything you want me to talk about, like I'm wanting to do that.
Subscribe for the PS5 giveaway. Subscribe.
Oh yeah, my brother's giving a PS5 away.
PS5 coming soon. You gotta subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you're not entered. That's like you're subscribing like literally.
Also, I want to thank you guys so much for 1K subscribers. If you haven't already checked out my last video, make sure you check it out because when that video gets to 1,000 views, we'll be doing a part 2 of that where I have some more people try the one chip. So let me know. Or
I still
go watch that.
You know what I mean? Trust me, if you guys like pepper, if you love pepper, seriously, go check out the other videos. The one chip challenge, ridiculous.
So yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I pray that you are having an amazing quarantine or day. Like, not amazing because it's hard to have an amazing, but like I pray that you're enjoying it and you're spending more time with your family and you continue to keep in contact with your friends and family also. So yeah, I will, and I think that's it. Do you have anything to say?
No sir.
Alright, so we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.